Good morning everybody. Welcome to my live. We're going to be doing another makeup tutorial, simple look. As you guys can see right behind me, this is the makeup look I'm going to be doing, like a lavender purple to a darker purple. So it's the transition of this makeup of the eye color, and I really do love it. So we're going to go into doing that, and also you guys don't forget to follow me on my YouTube channel, Modest Transformation by Celeste. Also follow me on my TikTok page, Transformation by Celeste. Thank you, Prayed Up. Trying to get everybody to come on to TikTok, and then we're going to show them how we recreated this look. So we use the Make Me Nude eyeshadow palette. I'm going to use the dark brown for my eyebrows. Welcome to the live, everybody. If you haven't already, please double tap for me. Double tap, double tap. So I'm just going to fill in my brows with the dark brown eyeshadow. And then I'm going to go in and use my Nika K Acorn 07. I'm going to apply this right underneath my brows. And then the next thing I'm going to use is my sponge. I'm going to use my sponge and I'm going to blend out that concealer underneath my brow. And then I'm going to go back in and use my angle brush. Back in and fill in my brow. And I'm going to use my Wika Beach eyeshadow palette by I Envy. These are the colors I'm going to be using in today's video. So first I'm going to use like this lavender color here. And I'm going to apply that underneath my brow. And then I'm going to use my dark purple eyeshadow color here. And I'm going to go right underneath that same color I just used, which is like a lavender color. And I'm just going to blend it out. Use this lighter blue color. And I'm going to apply it like in the middle of my eye, halfway, and then I got to use the purple, which is going to be this purple here. I'm going to apply that right there. Thank you, Miss Yvonne Ward. Everybody, double tap for me. Thank you, Miss Yvonne Ward. Everybody, double tap for me. Please like, share. Thank you, Miss Yvonne Ward. Everybody, double tap for me. Please like, share. IMV Tattoo, Ruby Kisses, Black is Black. And I'm going to use the end point of my eyebrow as a guide. And then I'm going to fill it out towards the bottom. And then I'm going to use my Lashes Crystal Glow. This is called Emerald. I'm going to use on the lashes in today's video. And these are the lashes here. The lashes here. To then I don't know how I got all that stuff on my lash. But no worries, I'm going to use some mascara. If I can find it. Right, and then I'm going to apply some Kiss Hydration Grip Face Primer on. I'm going to use my Cool Cafe Absolute 2-in-1. And I'm going to apply my e.l.f. Primer Grip Spray. I'm going to apply that once. And I'm just going to go ahead and blend in those foundation and concealer. And I'm going to use this sponge. I'm going to make sure I'm blending out the concealer and foundation. And I have one more step to do, is just adding some purple underneath my eye on this side. And that's it. I'm going to use the e.l.f. mascara. And that is the finished look, you guys. I hope you guys did enjoy. I try to make it more similar to the model that's wearing the same makeup. So I hope that I did achieve this look. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Modest Transformation by Celeste, and follow me on my Instagrams, Modest Transformation by Celeste, and I have another one, SexyRiri_93. Also follow me on TikTok, Transformation by Celeste. Thank you guys so much, and I will see you guys later. Thank you, Miss Yvonne, and I will see you guys in my next live. Bye.